Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to change your profile name in YouTube Kids application. To change your profile name on YouTube Kids, first of all, open up the YouTube Kids application and sign in as a parent to manage or change your child's profile. Once you're in the home page logged in, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right corner. Enter your custom passcode or solve a simple math problem. This will then open up the settings menu where you'll need to select your child's profile under My Kids. Tap on your child's profile where you want to change the name and enter your Google account's password to access your profile. On the next page, tap the pencil button right next to your kid's profile name and then enter a new name for your kid in the text box. After you are done, click on the tick mark at the top right corner, and there you have successfully changed your kid's profile name in YouTube Kids. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.